get a resetting.
Just the
Your lawyer
nuggets.
can be here, but
I know.
this isn't good.
She's been up since like 3 or 4.
Welcome back to Time Served, the channel that scans the docket so you don't have to. Let's face it, without Zoom, there would be no Time Served, no LawTube, and judges from all over the country would not have to deal with moans and groans and constant distractions. However, Judge Stevens rarely has Zoomers, and after this obnoxious woman, it probably will be the last time you'll see one for a while. I'm going to put all the behavior in one little reel, wrap it in a pretty little bow, and then we will see Judge Stevens address the claims the court staff made about Miss Jack Heel. Check out the latest from the channel right here. Like and subscribe, set your notifications to all. We are 4,000 subscribers away from that 100K goal. Let's roll, nerds.
Kimmler's not here. That's the attorney. Is she?
Oh, ask your sister. Anything you
A
need.
different person was here.
I think
Yesterday.
I think it was Lacey, but I know he had a competency hearing. They want to move his like mine this morning. So he wasn't
The
available.
competency hearing for Rife Kimmler?
yeah.
That was long overdue.
But he had an individual yesterday that we both had in the box yesterday. He sent us a note.
Facetiously, we're talking. We're all. That's Joe.
But they tried to remove his both bars to this morning, and he said he wasn't available this morning, so they were only fine. So I know
Okay.
they let somebody know yesterday.
Well, who's the probation officer on this one? Okay.
Nicole,
You have to
I'm
report.
sleeping.
If you can't do anything else, report. You have to report or else you're not on probation. Okay, I'm gonna reset this, get that through, reset it for here. But
I know.
this isn't good.
She's been up since like 3 or 4.
If you can't do anything
Went
else,
to
you have
sleep
to
so
report
early.
or else you're on your own probation, which is not my rule. I'm ordering you to report. If you don't report, what are we doing today?
I asked him after.
Him about that courtesy supervision thing. So if he's trying to get a job in Houston,
But technically, he's living in Orange County. And I just want to start the process till up.
This lady is one who's been on YouTube. She keeps talking loudly.
I don't hear her.
No, she's muted, but she's saying inappropriate things. If we could do her next. Thanks. If we could do her next. After.
Here we go. Here we go.
What's she saying that's inappropriate?
She tries to-
When?
People have been texting me and telling me, I can hear it on YouTube. I don't think she realized she was.
Thinking somebody in the background.
Oh, it's the background of her, but oh, okay.
Unmute. You, ma'am.
Good morning, Judge.
What is your name?
Jaquil Livings.
I can't hear you.
Jaquil
Unmute.
Livings.
Unmute.
Not sure.
Unmute.
It's not showing muted.
Are you trying to talk to somebody on Zoom?
Yeah.
You have to have this on.
Stand by. Stand by.
I didn't. Mr. Perry, what do you need?
Who is this defendant?
Still living.
Where's that file?
You allowed her to zoom in to the restitution and you didn't want her, she got flying in.
They can unmute or try this.
One more time. Try to unmute. Give me a
Can you hear
test.
me now?
Yes.
Perfect.
All right. You were Jaquil Livings?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. We're trying to get to you. We only have a 11-page docket today, and you're on page 9, but I'm going to jump to this. We're getting notes from people who are listening to vulgar statements being made either from you or from your position that's vulgarity, because you're on this Zoom and apparently I haven't pulled you up. I can't hear it, but others are hearing it. What are they saying?
There were some inappropriate comments and swearing.
Swearing and comments are being made. Who's using vulgar language at that location? That
It's just
People-
me.
what are
Is
you?
my
Are you saying? Are you making inappropriate comments about what we're trying to do here?
no, sir. Are you
Well,
sure it's me? I've been sitting here.
I know that's what they're saying.
Maybe you got me mixed up. I'm just sitting here listening to you. What did I say?
Look, I didn't hear that. They're texting.
Yeah,
What are they saying?
Three different people texted.
Three different people have texted to our office.
Am I cursing?
It's cursing from your position.
Oh no. I have a toddler who's home sick and she's in a room, and I have a teenager who's graduated and she's in her room. She just came to make nuggets for my toddler, but she wasn't talking.
So let's just say three people just didn't make this up and contrive this together. Is there any reason that you would be making some inappropriate comments?
No, sir. I'm an hour ahead. I've been up for 3 hours here listening to you. I'm honestly tired. I have no reason to say anything vulgar. And when you say vulgar, what's vulgar?
I don't know. I don't know. I'm not going to spend a lot of time with it, but
Yeah.
that's the problem we have with Zoom and YouTube is that people have access to being obnoxious when they're not supposed to be. And there's really not much of a way to police it when we're trying to do things. But we do this as a courtesy for people who can't be here. The other,
Exactly.
you come over here and you spend your time to be here, which is what is the conventional method. And maybe that's the way I need to start doing things. And that will keep that sideshow from occurring.
Right. No, I'm totally appalled. I'm here for a reason, and
Right now-
vulgar is not. I'm confused as to what vulgar language I was using. If that's the impression.
Well, vulgar or inappropriate, but when you're,
That's not my character. So
well, the three different people are mistaken. So, and
right.
you the probation officer?
No, sir, I have,
Skata,
yeah, I've been taking care of it since Mr. Harmon's retirement.
all right, on this case, let's see, it's a restitution issue?
Yes, sir.
Where are we on?
As of today's date, Ms. Livings has a remaining balance of $5,532,
How much was it at the beginning?
$15,000.
Okay, so she's paid 2/3 of it.
Yes, sir. She's
already.
paid $9,000.
How much is she paying a month?
$102.
Okay, so that still gives 4 years
Yes, sir.
plus. All right. Are you employed, ma'am?
Yes, sir. I'm at a local hospital. I do newborn hearing screens.
How much are you able to pay a month because all things being the same, is this the only thing holding her up on probation? Restitution payments?
Yes, sir. She's on inactive probation,
Yeah.
but the restitution would be the only.
Okay. Okay, you've got $5,532 left to pay.
Yes, sir.
How much could you pay a month toward quickening the end of this?
I've been making 100. I can bump up to 150. Last year I've gotten 2 out of high school, got 1 in school, and health. I've been making less payments than wanting to. So
Well, that would give you, that would probably complete this in 3 years. So that cuts down 2 years or so.
yeah.
All right. So
Actually, I'm trying to be done with this. I've been back and forth this for a couple of years, so I'm trying to be done with this. Hopefully by the end of next year.
what we're going to do then is amend the probation order to order you to pay a minimum of $150 per month. You can do that without objection.
Yes, sir. Not a problem.
Probation officer will prepare that and get that processed for you. Okay. And then we'll
That'll work.
that Anything else on this one? Because I got other things. Okay, that is all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You guys have a good day.
And